Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As in previous classes, we studied about molar volume, what is molar volume, and uh, also done a one word problem for you guys. So in today's class, we are having a new topic which is named as mass-mass relationship. So basically, what is mass-mass relationship? It is basically this is a chemical reaction. This is a chemical reaction in which data is given data is given in which data is given in gram, and we need to find out the mass in gram. Simple. We are having a chemical reaction, or you may say a chemical equation would be there, which will be solved already, and in that the data would be given in gram, and we need to find the mass in gram. So for suppose there is a question, so I'll like firstly tell you the steps how to find the mass relationship. So step 1, balance the chemical equation. Balance the chemical equation. So that is basically step number 1, and step number 2 would be data. Collect the data from chemical equation. Collect the data from chemical equation, and the last step 3 is data taken from question. Data taken from question. Now simply just assume that we are having a question. I can write a question on the next page so you may clearly understand. We are having a question. Find out the mass of H2O. Find out the mass of H2O when 9 gram of H2 is used. So that is what that is a question. In that question it is saying that find out the mass of H2O when 9 gram of H2 is used. Now what is the chemical equation of that? I can change the color so you may clearly understand. The chemical equation of that of like water is 2H2 2H2 plus O2 2H2 plus O2 would be, how can I add an arrow sign for you guys like that, would be 2H2O. That is how it would be a equation. Okay, so now simply they just said that find out the mass of H2O when 9 gram of H2 is used. These three common things are there in the question. Okay, let's first of all we'll be find like what is H2. So we'll be finding the H2 would be 1 multiply by 2, and 2 is already would be there for us in multiplication, so that would be put it over there. And if we go with that, though H2 would be 2 and oxygen have a mass of 16, so that would be 18, and we'll be multiplying that with this 2, so that would be coming as 36. That would be coming as 36. Okay, so I can like clearly give an answer of that. That would be a 4 gram, and that would be 16 gram. As we studied that the equation will be given in gram, and we need to find the mass in gram. So you can clearly see that we have given a 9 gram of H2. We will be simply writing the 9 gram down to H2. 9 gram over here. Okay, on that one side we have no value, so we'll be assuming that X. Okay, so now simply we'll be doing a cross multiplication. Okay, so you'll be doing cross multiplication, so it would be 4x is equal to 4x is equal to 36 multiplied by 9. 36 multiplied by 9. The 4 is there in multiplication, so we'd be taking it down to divide. So it would be 36 multiplied by 9 upon 4. Okay, so that is how the equation would be written as. So now 4 1 the 4, 4 9 the 36. Okay, so we will be writing as x is equal to 9 multiplied by 9, and then x is equal to 9 multiplied by 9 would be 81, and as we discussed that the answer would be coming in mass, that would be also in gram, so we'll be writing the unit gram. So that is how it done. I hope this lecture clears to you, and if there is any confusion in the lecture, so please feel free to comment down below. I will be replying you as soon as I get free. So okay, bye.